Good morning! Starting my morning with a hot cup of tea, enjoying the calm before the adventure begins.
The rain has just stopped and Rishikesh looks magical. Look at this lush greenery and the water glistening on the road. Walking here feels like a dream.
As I move ahead, the serenity only grows. The wet earth, the fresh smell of rain, and the peaceful hills make every step worth it.
Finally, I reach this beautiful bridge. Across the river stands a small temple. A moment to pause and offer my respect.
This little journey through Rishikesh has been truly special. If you enjoyed walking these rain-soaked roads with me, make sure to subscribe and join